Hey there, gorgeous! It is such a joy to see you. I hope that you're doing great. In this video, I'm sharing my most favorite look of the moment that I have really been enjoying. It's the makeup that I took with me on the trip to Kentucky last week, and I just love this entire look, the makeup quality, everything. So I want to share that with you today. This video is sponsored by Bare Minerals, so I will be showing you a full face. This look right here using their makeup products, and I know that if you value simplistic, elegant, and easy, then you're gonna love this look. Now you know the whole routine. We're first going to apply an eyeshadow primer to kick things off. I already have a moisturizer on my face. And now I'm gonna zoom you in. Hello! This eyeshadow is fabulous. It is my new favorite. This is from Bare Minerals. It's their loose eyeshadow in the shade Pebble. The way that I do it is I take a little bit on the tips of a fluffy brush here, and then I'll take that brush and I'll swirl it around in the container top and then tap it off and then apply it onto the lid. Now I find that I like applying it with a fluffy brush better than, say, a flat brush, because the application is soft, it's diffused, and it looks very simple but elegant. I mean, you could apply it with a packing on type brush if you wanted to. This has just been the way that I have been doing it. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a light wash of color, and it's so, oh, I love the color. I love that it's not a red brown, but it's a cool brown, and it's got a little bit, like a very tiny amount of sparkle in the formula. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but when you're in the sunlight, it picks it up so beautifully. I'm gonna go back with a fluffy brush here and blend the edges of that softly. The other thing that I love about this loose eyeshadow in particular is that it does not migrate. I did not have a day that I wore this last week where it moved around, or I had to babysit it, or it was gunking up in the corner of my eye. None of that stuff happened. Once you apply it where you apply it, it stays put. For my brows, I'm using the Mineralist Micro Defining Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe, which is a great little pencil. It creates sharp lines. It has a spoolie on the end to blend it through. And if you have light reddish blonde hair like me, it's a perfect match. I was a little hesitant to try it because I didn't really know what to expect with it, but I mean, you can see there, it's a pretty good match. I added some lashes. These are from my lash line in the style Authentic. I will have them listed for you below if you're interested in them. The other thing that I did off camera was I went back and applied a eyeliner. This is the Bare Minerals Mineralist eyeliner in the shade Topaz. I applied a little bit of this onto the upper waterline right in there, only to hide some of the spaces that the lashes was creating, and I don't have an eyeliner on my top lid today, so that was the extra step that I added. For my under eye concealer today, I'm using the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Brightening Concealer in the shade Fair Opal. Obviously I'm not using that much, but I just wanted to show you the consistency of it. Sometimes when I'm filming, he'll come in here and just make the most random funny faces to try and get me to break. Cause you know I'm like on here talking to you, and he's over here in the corner going like, and I can see it, but I'm like trying to stay focused on you, you know? It's worse than a kid sometimes. There, isn't that beautiful? I love this concealer. It's been my favorite for, I don't even know how long it's been out, but I want to say at least 2 years, but I love this stuff, and it's seamless. It sinks right in. It feels very hydrating. It's not drying. It's not matte. I have been skipping the foundation and using just powder, and I have to rave about the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Powder Foundation. This is in the shade Fair 01. And this is a full coverage powder foundation. You can apply it wet or dry. It's completely up to you. I prefer to apply it dry, and I am applying it here with the Bare Minerals Full Flawless Face Brush. So you can see the before and after with it. It provides this flawless, even coverage on the skin, but it still looks like skin without looking like you're wearing a mask. So even though it says full coverage, it's not that cakey, packed on look. It's absolutely gorgeous. And when we were in Kentucky, it was hot. I mean, like, we were doing a lot of walking around outside, and man, whew. But this stuff stayed on. It was amazing. I was so impressed by it, and I love the before and after with it. So I mean, I'm gonna rave about it, okay? It's awesome. If I don't add some color to my face, then I start to look like a ghost, which not a good look. So I'm using the Bare Minerals All Over Face color in the shade Warmth. I'm not sure if you can still get this, but I love it. Because it's so pigmented, I only use what's in the cap, and then I take it on a brush and I will just sweep it. I mean, look at that. I don't have that much on the brush at all, and woohoo! The next product I'm using is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Highlighting Blush. This is in the shade Rose Glow. The way that I apply this is I take a little bit onto the back of my hand, like that. Taking the Bare Minerals Diffused Highlight Brush, I'm going to get a little bit of that onto the tips of the bristles there, and then lightly apply it up the cheek like that. And this is such a beautiful little topper to your makeup. There's not much color to it, it's just a little bit of a highlight. So if you like highlight, you like a little bit of glow, but you don't want something that's over the top, I think you would really enjoy this. And you can see what it does to the skin. It adds that luminous quality. I have to share this new lip combo with you. I love it. It's the one that I was wearing the most this past week. So what I've been doing is taking the Bare Minerals Mineralist Lip Liner. This is in the shade Blissful Blush. It's a very beautiful light pink. You can see it right there. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Very soft too. And so I'll first align the lips with that. Next, I take the Bare Minerals Mineralist Lip Gloss in the shade Serenity. This is a really light pink. It's so pretty. And you put it over the top, and you blend the two together, and oh my goodness. Look, look, look! Oh! It's like your lip color, but better. I love it. And even without the lip liner, just wearing this lip gloss on its own provides a very light wash of pink. Let me see if I can show you that too, because it's beautiful on its own. Okay, so no lip liner, right? I'll put it on just all by itself. Isn't that pretty? It's soft, it's beautiful, it looks like your lip color, and I have been absolutely loving this combo and this lip gloss. So I wanted to share this look with you in natural daylight so you could see the true beauty of it, because studio lights to me look a little different than natural daylight, and most of us aren't walking around with studio lights on us. So you can really see what the makeup looks like here, and I absolutely love this look. If you are interested in anything I shared with you here today, I wanted to let you know too that Bare Minerals is going to be having a friends and family sale between September 27th and October 4th, where you can get 25% off of everything on their site, plus free shipping. So if you liked something that you saw here today, save some money and get an amazing quality makeup product that I know that you will be most pleased with. Let me know your thoughts below. Thank you for being here, for taking the time to watch. I speak love, peace, and joy into you and into your home, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.